Joe, what are you exhibiting here today?
So we've got our Altera ScanTech CMM, fully made in the UK, so made at our factory just outside of Derby, with Revo 2 head on it, running surface finish and the standard Revo contact probes.
When you say running surface finish, what does this mean?
So we can automate the surface finish process. So in your CMM program, we can take dimensional measurements and then we can do RA values and things like that with the surface finish probe.
And what kind of surface finish values are you talking here?
There's a full range, so there's different options, different skids, different stylo we can put on there, so we can do a full range of values.
Now you've also got an automated head change here. Is this something that's standard with the CMM?
Yeah, so we promote it with all of our CMMs, not just the Revo ones, but standard CMMs as well, fully automating the process. You don't want operators manually changing things when the CMM can do it for you.
And this particular CMM, it's got quite a large capacity. Can you tell me the capacity of the CMM and the accuracy it will measure to?
So this is a 15-12-10, so that's 1.5 meters in X, 1.2 meters in Y, and a meter in Z, and you're looking at around 1.5 micron accuracy on this machine.
And what's the largest CMM that you do at LK Metrology?
So we've got a standard range of CMMs, but one thing we pride ourselves on is making really big machines. So if a customer comes to us with an issue, we'll work with our engineering team here in the UK to come up with a solution for it.
So effectively, Joe, this is a baby.
Yeah, compared to a lot we do, this is a very small one.
And how should people get in touch that are interested in this type of equipment?
So we're obviously at Advanced Show for the next 2 days. They can contact us through our website at lkmetrology.com or just contact us at our office in the UK. If they want to come in, we can show them around the factory, we can show them exactly how they're made.